I get up in the morning and I smell kind of like when I turn my heat or my defrost or whatever on, kind of a stank. Hey everybody, this is going to be a very simple, very quick video. It is a rainy day out here, and it seems like lately on days when it rains, or if it's very, very like moist in the air, like days when there's a lot of dew or fog, I get up in the morning and I smell kind of like when I turn my heat or my defrost or whatever on, kind of a stank. So I think it's my cabin filter, I hope. I picked up a new one. This is the part number from Advance. They had a better one, but this one was like $11 and the better one was like $26. I'm not paying $15 extra for a cabin filter. I mean, two of these just replace it twice as much. But so what I'm going to do today is show you how to get this cabin filter out of my Q50. First thing you want to do is gather up everything out of here. Okay. Then this is very, very simple. All you do, you'll have a tab here and a tab here that you literally, hopefully you guys don't fall over. You will just push them in. As you push them in, pull down. Yeah. There's one and two. Okay. Well, this one actually has a weird little cord. Okay, so then what you do is you've got a tray back here. You've got this tray right here. As you can see, it's got two tabs. Pull it down. I don't know if I've ever changed this. And then that right there should just come out. You'll have a tab on this side. Yep. It comes out. You'll have a tab on this side. Pops out, and you pull that out. As you can see, it's blocked here, so you'll have to come this way with it. I don't think I've ever changed this before. Ugh. It's weird. It's like bowed. It does have the arrow telling you which way is down. So what we'll do now is we'll take this, make sure this is the same. Yep, same. Okay, and this one has the arrow airflow down, just like the other one. Product of USA. I mean, this might be like an OEM one or something. This one's either really dirty, or it's one of those ones with activated charcoal in it. I don't think I've ever changed this before. It doesn't look like I have. So, now we slide this guy back in. Like such, it just slides in. It's really weird on this because, like, I'm used to it filling up more, like it being the full thing. Then you'll take this, put it back in. There is an up and a down. Obviously that goes over there. There'll be two tabs over there that goes in. We'll set you all down for just a sec. Make sure on that side, right here behind this button, there are two tabs that goes in. Make sure both of them go in, and then this clicks right here. Okay, and you put this piece back on. It's weird that it's like double covered, but I guess that's an Infiniti thing. They don't want you seeing the workings of the car. Okay, so then we'll just push this back up and push that back in, and it will pop back in. This one's really tough to get back in. Well, there it is. I just gotta get it right. And that's all there is to it. Something to pay attention to, as I was pulling it down, it actually came out of one of the hinges on the bottom. Is why it was not wanting to latch. So just make sure you're pulling it in. It doesn't want to come out of those latches. That's it. Throw this one in the recycling. You're done. So if you've got stank in your defrost your air conditioner or whatever, this should be the fix of it. Like I said, I don't think I'd ever changed that before. So there's something else. I'll put there's a Q50 playlist up there. It's got all the maintenance we've done. Next on the list should be automatic transmission fluid and transfer case, and then that should be about it, because we've done oil, both diffs, intakes, exhaust. I think I'm gonna do a thermostat and a coolant soon, so stay tuned. Or if it's very, very like moist